first part of the year, try to work on our base, get our training in. Now what we're trying to do is work a lot of technique, give them a little bit more rest, a lot more high intensity swims, that type of thing, more race pace type stuff.
This taper, our practices have been together as a team the whole time, so I feel like that would be more beneficial. Coach has been watching what we've been eating, how we've been acting, like going out, how long we've been staying out, all that.
We have some really good seniors with Frankie and Jared. Tony, being redshirted, he still is in that leadership role for us, and having him on deck has really helped us out. We have a young team, and I think that's what our strength is the fact that it's fun for them, that they just get in and race and swim and not worry too much about things. And I think that our leadership in that aspect has just been, don't overthink things. Just jump in and again, just race.
Mentally, every swimmer is different, but I think when PSAC is coming up, we start to rest during practice, and there's an energy on the team. You can feel it, and it's excitement and anticipation for PSAC. So in preparation for it, you know that your teammates are going to do whatever it takes to be the best they can be, and so you want to reciprocate that and do the best you can do at PSAC.
He has watched my stroke constantly, always saying what I need to fix. I should focus on this. I'm a really long stroke, and I do short strokes a lot, and I actually go a lot slower, so he yells at me. So now every time I swim, I count. So he's really helped me improve, and I give my records to him because I was not that fast before when I came in. So I was still learning how to swim when I came in, really.
That's a great example of, if you work hard, great things are going to happen for you. He's done a great job, not just in the pool and his work ethic there, but the sacrifices he makes over the summertime, the sacrifices he makes over breaks, and when a lot of people want to take some time off, he's in the weight room, or he's doing some dry land stuff. He's very self-motivated.
The 200 breaststroke, it's going to be really close. There's two guys from Westchester and one of my friends from Clarion, Derek Nelson. We're going to be pretty much neck and neck the whole time, and I'm pretty excited to race him. The guys from Westchester, they're really fast as it is, so we're going to try chasing them down. And our guys' team is small, but we have power in the numbers that we have. And we have one guy in the 50. He's probably going to win. He's really fast. And hopefully me and my freshman breaststroker come in the last heat for the A heat for the finals and do pretty well in that. Our guys hopefully will all come back in the A heats. We're fast enough to do it. It's just they have to be mentally ready to race.
I would say my strongest event would be either the 200 or the 500 freestyle, because my training partner, Josh, he pushes me every practice, and we really work hard.
They've done a great job. I mean, we've been, because of their talent, because of their work ethic, because of their drive, we've been in every swim meet that we've competed in. And it just is unfortunate we haven't, been able to have a large team, but the guys that we have are doing a great job. They motivate one another, they get behind one another, support one another, and I can definitely tell it is like a brotherhood. I know that they're feeling kind of like the underdogs going into this meet, and we like that role. We like having people kind of overlook us.
I would say our strongest competition would probably be Gannon. We always have pretty close meets with them, and there's a rivalry between the two schools, so they would be our biggest competition.
Each university has a different top guy. Someone's really good at the 100 fly at one school, and then someone's really good at the 5 in the next. Just kind of varies on the schools.
We have a lot of good sprinters. Micah Cattell right now, he's seated first in the 50, and then we have, Justin Ransel, who's in the top 8. Jared's in the top 8. Josh Beabout, he's in the top 8, in the 500. We have some freshman guys that I think, if they just race and do as well as they have done in practice, they're going to be fine and they're going to be scoring well for us.
I hope to break down the 2 and 1 again. My breaststroke records, I hope to drop at least 100 by a second and the 200 by 4 seconds. I really want to put a big dent in the record board on my last meet.
As a team, there's a lot of good energy on the pool deck with the team. Everyone seems to have a good attitude about it, which really helps. It creates a good team chemistry. Everyone works hard. Everyone's ready to go. I think the guys are going to do well. We don't have many guys. We only have around 10, but we have some really good talent. I think we're going to do well at PSACs.